How to disable vibration in Honor of Kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can disable the vibration setting in Honor of Kings game. If the vibration feedback feels distracting or drains your battery, you can easily turn it off in the in-game settings. First of all, launch open the Honor of Kings game on your device and from the main lobby screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on the sound button from the left hand menu. Under sound, go to the top and you'll see the vibration button. If you have enabled vibration, tap on the square button right under vibration and this will turn off the vibration and the respawn vibration setting. Once you are done, you can exit this settings menu and your changes will be saved automatically. So that's it. Vibration feedback will now be disabled while playing Honor of Kings, giving you a smoother and quieter gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.